This is the exercise on how to add a ramp connection. We will add a ramp connection at the Interstate 40 and Charlotte Pike interchange, exit 201. Zoom into exit 201, I-40 westbound off-ramp. We first need to create a road alignment called Ramp 1 along the off-ramp. Open the Road tool and select the following settings. For road class, select Ramp. The road template to be used is Ramp 1 lane, left origin. Name it Ramp 1. The speed is 25 miles per hour. For profile, use Best Fit. For input, set as polar. Use spirals, make sure that's toggled off. Follow the prompt. Enter the first PI at the beginning point at I-40, and then left-click to place additional PI points along the existing off-ramp alignment until you get to Charlotte Pike. Right-click to accept placement, and then click the Element Selection tool to reset. Go ahead and modify the horizontal curve radii based on the table in the manual. Make sure both extents of the off-ramp alignment cross the intersecting baselines. Next, open the Ramp Connection tool under Road Placement and select the following settings. For ramp terminal, select parallel. The design radius is 250 feet. Notice the prompt. Select I-40 as the primary road. Select Ramp 1 as secondary road. There should be a green outline of the ramp which indicates the extent. Right-click to accept the ramp connection. Click on the Element Selection tool to reset. Now left-click on the off-ramp transition and zoom into the lane taper. This is where you can edit the taper and auxiliary lane lengths. For this exercise, we will leave the default transition as is. Lastly, we will create an intersection at the end of the off-ramp. Open the Intersection tool under the Road Placement tools. Follow the prompt. Select Charlotte Pike as the primary road. Select the off-ramp as the secondary road. Right-click to accept and the intersection should be created. Click on the Element Selection tool to reset. This concludes the exercise on how to add a ramp connection.